So we're going to take these. I have a mixture here of, it's about 80% black pepper and 20% pink Himalayan salt, which I've ground into a dust to mix together. So I just take a pinch, and one pinch is enough for both steaks. You know, the cast iron pan definitely gives it a lot of flavor, so you don't really need too much. Plus, at the end, we're going to deglaze the pan with a little bit of the apple cider vinegar you see with those 2 green onions. You know, we're trying to keep the plants down to a minimum. Plants contain carbohydrates and sugars, but we do want a little bit just to give some color to our dish and make it feel like we're not just eating meat all the time. Now, I don't really like to use fat, but these cuts are very lean, so I am going to just add literally like 1 drop of sesame oil, just to give it a little bit of lubrication, you know, have everything slide through a little nicer. So as you all can see, that pan is smoking hot. So we're going to drop that down. Get it set in place. And there's peanuts steak. Get those things moving nicely. So we'll probably flip those once in, well, this one will flip sooner than this one because this one's a lot thicker. But we started on a medium-high heat. Now we're going to turn it down to basically a medium heat. All we want to do is get that sear on there really nice. And then we still have sections of the pan that will be hot to sear the other side when we flip them over. I think I'm going to leave this one for another couple minutes or so. That's looking real pretty. Alright, so I guess the total cook time on this steak was probably around 12 to 14 minutes, give or take. That looks real nice on all sides. See that? I don't know if you can see that, but if you can, gorgeous, 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 and, well, once again, gorgeous. So that's going to come off, and that's going to rest right there next to Peanut's steak. So now we're going to drop these babies in here. Load that the onions, shut the heat off, and drop another couple drops in there. Just gather up all that goodness off the bottom of the pan, And that's it. Well, I guess you can all see Peanut showed up to claim his steak. So let's cut it up and see what it looks like. So Mr. Peanut. So that looks really nice, really nice. So we'll cut that up for him. this guy. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what we call medium rare. Ready? Sit. Okay, you want your steak? Stay. Stay. Okay, get it. Okay, get it. Good boy. Is that good, buddy?